Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Well, I'm happy. I woke up and I am thrilled. I started this stitch yesterday, last night actually, and I just wanted to, I was working on the tutorial that I posted yesterday. While I was working on that, I figured out this stitch. I don't know if it's out there, but it's so easy. And it's just mindless. You just keep on crocheting. So again, this is going to be a poncho. I'm just using my yarn from my stash. This yarn is, I bought it from Ice Yarn. They discontinued this, the yarn that I was buying years ago, and then I pushed the notification button, and then they said I received an email that it arrived, but it was not the same color. Anyway, so I did knit a hat and a scarf, so I had 1.5 ball of yarn left over. So I'm just using up, and I'm going to join with a different, it's the same color, but different brand that I bought from Turkey again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to crochet this lovely stitch. If you want, I think they're selling it. I'm not quite sure at the moment if they still have it. This is the number. It is nice when you knit it up or crochet it. It just turns fantastic. The end result is fantastic. It's 100% acrylic and it's a 3-weight. So what I did is I just chained. That's all I did. I did not count or anything. So I believe it's a multiple of 4 if you want to try it out, but was it 90 chain? I'm not quite sure how many chain I chained, and I started to stitch. So if you look at it, it's so easy, but it's so elegant. As I am a very tight crocheter, I'm using the like a big, for me, like this is a big crochet hook, 5.5. So what I did is I chained with a 9, and then I started crocheting with this, because I usually go with a 4 with this, but this time I wanted to try with a bigger crochet hook. So for me, this is a big crochet hook. Come on, focus. Oh, the background. It won't focus with the background. It won't let me. Okay, it's 5.5 millimeter. I did try it with a different yarn just to see how it would look like. Let me just pull that from here. So I tried it with a cotton yarn. Okay. And this is how it looks like with the cotton yarn. If you are a loose crocheter, it will just, the stitch will turn fantastic. So this is with a solid color, and that is with a variegated yarn. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to chain 30 chain. And I'm going to try this because I want to show it on a solid color, because I don't want you to get confused as the stitches just mixes up and all you see is waves. That's all you see when you look at it. So I really like it. I don't know. I hope you guys like it too. It's very easy. It's just double crochets. So let me just put this aside. This is a 4-weight, so you don't have to use this cotton yarn. You can use anything that you have in your stash. So what I'm going to do is, let me just grab a 9 here, the biggest crochet hook that I have. Okay, so this is a boy, 9 millimeter. So I'm just going to chain about, I don't know, 30 chain. Like I said, I believe it's a multiple of 4 because we're skipping, or maybe 3. Well, we're skipping 3 chain. So okay, so I have, how How many did I chain? I try not to use the last stitch, but sometimes I end up using it. So 2, 3, 4, like this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I chained 30. I'm going to chain 4 extra. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the fourth here, I'm going to make a double crochet, and then another double crochet. Because this is the beginning, I'm going to count the chain as one double crochet. Okay, so no chain, nothing for this pattern. Like I said, I don't know if it's out there. If it is, and I noticed I'm doing double crochet. You can do treble crochet, triple crochet. You can make it taller as you know, as much as you want. You can go 2 loops, 3 loops. It depends on how you do it, but I like the double crochet. It's just minus. I just do it automatically. Okay, so I'm going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3. On the fourth, I'm going to make a double crochet. Okay, this is the first row, so it is that is the reason I'm showing. And then we make 3 double crochets on that same chain. Okay, again, yarn over, and then again we skip 1, 2, 3. On the fourth, we make it a double crochet. Okay, and then another double crochet on that same chain, and then another double crochet. Okay, again I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth I'm going to make a double crochet. So this first row is like this. The rest is so easy. And while I don't know that yesterday the tutorial I did, I figured another stitch, so I'm going to work on that, and I will come back to show you that stitch as well, because I'm trying to create, you know, tops or ponchos, just, you know, just to cover up like a lightweight. That's what I'm trying to figure out, instead of doing, you know, something lightweight with using bigger crochet hooks and going fast. So again, skip 1, 2, 3. On the fourth, make a double crochet, and followed by, so we make total of 3. 3, 3, 3. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3 on the fourth. That's why I used a bigger crochet hook, because I don't want to have it tight on the bottom. 2 and 3. I try to make it as loose as I can, but yeah, I am a tight crocheter, unfortunately. Okay. Oh, look at that hole. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a double crochet. Oops. 1, 2, 3, here. Okay, and then another double crochet, and then another double crochet. Okay, so we have 3. I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to chain 4, turn around, 2, 3, 4. Right here, right here, right here, I'm going to make a double crochet. Okay, and then another double crochet, and then another double crochet. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next set of 3. So I'm going to come here, not 1 but 2, right here on this last one, I make 3 double crochets, and I don't chain or anything, so try to crochet as loose as you can to give that nice texture. And again, go to the last one right here and then make a 3 double crochets. So this is all to it. It's so simple, but it looks elegant, doesn't it? Especially on a variegated yarn. I think it looks nice. I just love how it looks like. And you don't have to count anything. You just go here. Just go and then make your 3 double crochet. You don't have to count anything. Oh, you can make afghans, you can make baby blankets, you can make tops, skirts. Like I said, I am planning to make ponchos. You know that some weathers are chilly and then you just need something to cover up. Or you can make a beach dress like this. Okay, so at the end, I just come here where the 4 chain, remember we did the 4 chain? So I'm just going to go in there and then make 3 double crochets right in there. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn our work. Again, jump right here. But this time we're going to make 2 because I am counting that 3 chain as well. Because I tried, it doesn't look good with the 3 double crochet because the 3 chain gives that extra, like a double crochet. So I'll just leave it like this, like we did here. And then what I do is I jump and I come here and then make 3 double crochets. It's just the edge that you need to make, because see? And this is how it looks like. So it's reversible, 2 sides are the same. So you just continue crocheting like this. No chain, nothing. You don't have to count anything. You just go to the last. And then you make a double crochet just like this. 3 double crochets. Nothing else. So easy, huh? Just wanted to show you how to finish it up again, because at the beginning how to start and the edges always confuse people. That's how, see, I did 3 here. I'm supposed to do 2. Okay, but that's okay. Here I'm gonna make 3 double crochets. Yeah, see how it looks? It doesn't look nice. See? Because I'm counting this as well. Chain 4. And then make 2 double crochets right here. And then go to the next and then make 3 double crochets. See what I mean? It doesn't look good with the 3. So just be cautious. It looks way better with the, after you do your 4 chain, just do 2 double crochets. See what I mean? It doesn't look good. Yeah. And then that's all you do. And then when you come here, you just repeat what I just did. If you get confused somewhere, just go back, rewind it. It's just a repeat one after another, nothing else. And this is how it looks like on the green. I really like the variegated. I don't know what you guys think. See, it looks like waves. I really, really like it. So I'm using the same crochet hook on this one. It is a 3-weight. Yeah, so see what I did again? I did 4 chain, I turned, and I did 2 double crochets right on that last one, and then I just continue crocheting. That's all I do. Yeah. So I hope you like this tutorial. I just wanted to share what I have found out. Like I said, I don't know if it's out there, the stitch, but I just really like how it's turning out. See? Well, you guys take care. I do have a package coming today on Canada Post. It said that it's out there for delivery, so I will do a yarn unboxing. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. It came fast. Yeah. I have 2 more packages that's showing in Canada. I don't know when they're coming, but this one just, boop, it says out there. Out for delivery. I was surprised. Okay, well, you guys take care, and I'll see you on the yarn unboxing. Happy crocheting, everybody.